Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the Valkyrie light bar brackets. Alright, so this is the bracket. I already painted it. I used Rust-Oleum bed liner paint. I think it did a really good job. Hopefully it'll hold up better than that other light bars I used to have. Okay, so you're going to need two things to get this job done for this installation. 3/16mm Allen wrench and something sharp to remove the little clips on the top. I like to use this. No advertisement or anything, you know, for Valkyrie. When you make a good quality product, the product speaks for itself. So we're going to remove that clip. Be careful though, these clips will break real easily if you're not careful. And if you don't have the Valkyrie bottle opener, you can get just a small screwdriver, which I've done these so many times with these. They've proven to be stubborn to get open with this. Oh, it's the other side, okay. I think I'm just pushing it down further now, dang it. I've taken it off so many times I've broke them. Oh shoot. There we go. Alright, so there's going to be the two Allen keys right in here. You're just going to undo them. And you're going to see a little plastic piece come up from the top. You have to forgive the noise. Trash man's coming. Really bad timing. And you want to kind of back them out equally. That way they'll actually rise up, okay? Oops. I got the wrong bracket. Let me go grab the right one. Okay, so here's the right bracket. Basically, you want this part to be on the inside of the vehicle. It's just gonna slide right into place. Alright, when you can't move it around, when you can't pull it out, you know you got it in right, okay? Then we're gonna tighten these down. Like I said, you want to tighten them down evenly, because that's what's going to make the whole process a heck of a lot easier in the long run. Now, some of y'all that have been kept up with Chimichanga here might be asking, "Hey Colton, why's your light bar not on? Why'd you take everything off?" Well, see, I just got a new roof done, and the dealership was like, "Yeah, if you don't want us to charge you extra for taking off the light bar and having to put it back on again, take it off before you come here." And I was like, "Yeah, okay, I don't want to be charged extra." So, got a new roof, take all this jazz off. Now I'm putting all this jazz back on again. Woo! Alright, so there's that. This is, let me grab the camera. Alright, so this is the final product. When you put the light bar on and the branch guards on, ow, that hurt. Pod lights, jeez. Also by Valkyrie. It's pretty solid. When you get that light bar on, it's going to be even more solid. I love the skeletal look to it. Keeps it, it's minimalizing the weight while also giving it a really nice design. So your light bar is going to hook into down here on the bottom hole, while your branch guards are going to hook in here to the top hole. Okay guys, so I got these original branch guards of mine fixed. I just redid the links at the top of each one of them. So we got the light bar mounts installed, got the light bar installed. I got this installed up here and down here. It's tightened down, okay? These don't really move that much during the wind, but if you open the hood right now, it'd actually be really bad. But you got to loosen up these hooks first. So let me try to do this one-handed. Easier said than done. Here we go. Just loose. And the ones from Valkyrie are going to be a little different than mine because mine are custom made. And if you have your own, you can use their mounts still. It's not going to make a difference. So you got this loose right here, just like this. Alright, so now you can come in here, open up the door, pop your hood, you see they're loose. You're just going to gently come up, mount, put up the hood bar. There we go. So the hood's up. These stay out of the way, like so, to where you don't have to actually take them off like I used to have to do on my old ones. Then you're able to do all the work inside your engine bay, okay? These mounts come up in here like this, and these are still, like, I've tried many things. I can't get them to stay 100%. I'm probably end up just siliconing them down or just not have them at all because I don't really care about them in the first place. They don't really serve a purpose. And so I'm going to show you now real quick. Let's close the hood. So you can just close the hood like you normally would. Just let it close. It's going to sit. Then you're going to retighten your branch guards and it's a done deal. Alright, so this is the installation video over the light bar brackets alongside with the combination of the branch guard finalizing. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks, bye.